What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing in 2026? In fact, some of the best investments can be started with less than the cost of a dinner. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't choosing the wrong investment, it's waiting too long to start. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the 5 best investments for beginners that can help build wealth over time. Before we begin, here's one important rule. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about giving your money the chance to grow while you focus on living your life. The earlier you start, the more powerful time becomes. If you're completely new to investing, index funds should be at the top of your list. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, an index fund lets you own small pieces of hundreds of companies with a single investment. That means if companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, or Nvidia grow over time, your investment can grow too. It's simple, diversified, and has historically outperformed many professional investors over long periods. For most beginners, this is one of the safest ways to start. Next are ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Think of an ETF like a basket filled with different investments. Some focus on technology, others on healthcare, energy, or even the entire US stock market. They're easy to buy, have low fees, and give beginners instant diversification without needing to research dozens of companies. Not every dollar should be invested in the stock market. Every beginner should first build an emergency fund. A high-yield savings account allows your money to earn much more interest than a traditional bank account while staying easily accessible. It's not exciting, but having cash available for unexpected expenses can prevent you from going into expensive debt. If your employer offers a 401k, especially with matching contributions, don't ignore it. Employer matching is essentially free money. If you don't have a workplace retirement plan, consider opening an IRA. These accounts offer valuable tax advantages. That can help your investments grow more efficiently over the years. Many millionaires didn't become wealthy through risky investments. They simply invested consistently in retirement accounts for decades. Finally, one of the highest return investments isn't in the stock market at all. It's investing in yourself. Learning new skills like coding, AI, digital marketing, sales, or starting a side business can dramatically increase your earning potential. The more valuable your skills become, the more money you can earn, and the more you can invest. So here's the takeaway. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start. Choose one investment, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Remember, wealth isn't built by making one lucky investment. It's built by making smart decisions over and over again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple finance tips every week.